I've got a few peppers I can harvest. Let's see what we have. These are the Purple Beauty. I think I have a tag down there. Yeah, they're called Purple Beauty. It's a bell pepper. A couple of small ones here. They really should be bigger than this, but if I leave it, then it'll just rot. Little small one. I've got some regular bell peppers that I'm going to go ahead and take today. It's not quite ready, but they will ripen a little more on the counter. Let me get this off one-handed. But we have more rain expected, and we've already had so much rain. I've had a lot of loss out here in the garden from things rotting. So these I'm just going to take and let them mature on the counter, and they will. Those were red bells. These are paprikas right here. I use a lot of paprika, and I like to dehydrate them, powder them up, and I use them in a lot of my recipes. I put them on just about everything. In my homemade chicken spice, in my pork chop recipe, I put them in my homemade seasoning sauce for potatoes, French fries, like roasted potatoes, roasted fries. So the paprika, I have plenty. So I did not plant any, and that plant that I just got those off of, which is right back here, this one, it reseeded itself from last year. But I said, well, I'll take it. But I do have plenty of paprika that I harvested and dehydrated last year. I've got a few green bells. These are green now, but they're supposed to be red and yellows. And not much else is left on here. I harvested a lot last week, and I cut those up, diced them up, and put them in the freezer. So that's what I got for now.